Hey everyone, I'm going to do something a little bit different today. So I'm going to try something new and I'm hoping this works out well. But I'm going to show you a really super duper easy and cute kids Valentine's Day idea today. I've got a couple of free resources on my site and I'll link to them later. But I've got a cute printable and a really cute idea, and I'm just going to show you how to put all of this together so that in a couple weeks when it's Valentine's Day, then your kids can have something really easy and cute and they can wake up to, and it's just a nice way to say, hey kids, I love you, and it's just something little. Because I know for me, Valentine's Day, I'm not going to spend a ton of money on my kids. They know I love them, but here's just something like a little bonus that I'm going to show you. So first off, I've got this free printable, and this is You Light Up My Life Valentine. I know it's backwards on camera, but it won't be when you print it out. But there's a link on one of my posts that you just click on it, and it's a PDF file, and you click print, and this is just on a normal piece of computer paper. It prints out like a nice pinky color. If you have a son, maybe you could put some car stickers on it to cover up the pink part, because it is pink. I didn't think about that because I have two daughters. So for those of you that have sons, maybe this won't be the best. I apologize, but this still might work. So anyway, once you print this out, now it's down here in the bottom corner because what you're going to do is fold it. I'm going to go back to my elementary school days and say the hamburger roll style, not the hot dog roll style, but you fold it the hamburger way style. And then you fold it over like this. And now you've got a cute little card. This is You Light Up My Life Valentine. Now, what makes this so cute, though, is that you're going to put this on top of a glow stick so that they really have a cute little toy that's about lighting up. So I just grabbed a couple of these at the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my little card here, punch a little hole here, or you could just stick scissors or whatever. I've got some of this cute little curling ribbon on hand. I had some gold. You could choose a different festive color if you have. I'm sure this is my Christmas ribbon stash. That's why it's gold, but it'll work for Valentine's Day, right? So I'm going to tie this in a cute little knot like this. And then I'll get my scissors and do the fun little curly cute part. So you've got a super easy, cute Valentine's Day gift for your kid. They've got a fun glow stick. You've got a fun card that goes with it. You could write a cute message on the inside. Or another bonus, which I'm going to show you how to do, is you could also stick one of these adorable folded dollar bill hearts on the inside of the card. I have had a video going, there's a few thousand views so far of the tutorial showing how to make these, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you right now because it's like super easy to fold this. Some of you might be like, oh no, that's too complicated. I'm not getting into something crazy complicated. I want something easy for Valentine's Day. Well, I promise you this is easy. So let me show you really fast how to fold this. So get like a crisp $1 bill. And you can do it facing either way. Like it doesn't really matter. You're going to get a heart shape when you're done. Find at the very, like if we'll do it with George facing us. We've got Mr. President George facing us here, and we find the $1 bill at the very bottom. And so it's just like a 1/4 of an inch, and you're just going to fold that up all the way across. Now I know this isn't the best angle to show you, but I know you'll still be able to see how to do this. And then you're going to fold the hamburger roll way again. And make really sharp creases as you go. Make sure that it's nice and folded and creased. Then you're going to open it back up so it's flat. You still have the bottom folded up though. And now you're going to take this and fold it into the center. And fold the other side into the center. Now I'll flip this around in a second here so you can see facing you. See how you have it like flipped over and over. So now you're going to flip this whole thing back towards you, and you're going to fold over these top corners. And now this is starting to create the shape of the heart. So you fold down those two top corners, again turning it so it's facing you, so you'd see what you'd be doing if it was facing you. You do these little two top corners first, then you're going to go to the edge and fold over those two top corners on the outside rather than inside, and this is going to create the outside of the heart. See how you're starting to get a heart shape here? And then you've got one more spot at the very edge. I wonder if you can see this. It's kind of hard to show you with this at this angle, but you're going to take the corner that's over here. You don't want this to be a corner, you want this to be flat. So you're going to take this corner and fold it over on the inside. And so all your folds look like this. This is the back of the heart. Flip it over. There's the front of your heart. And then if you want to stick this on the inside of your cute little Valentine card, I took a index card and I cut, inch off just so it would fit the inside of the card. I'm going to tape this on the inside. Oh dear, I grabbed a brand new thing of tape for this video. But you know how you always get that end piece when you first start out? So I'm just going to tape this on the inside real quickly. And this is just going to serve as like a little pocket to hold the money heart. Because this is the type of card that you can stick the money heart in. And if you don't have and there's not an envelope for it, you know, and you don't want to lose your money heart. So I just like having this little pocket here that you can stick your money in, and you can close it up. And maybe at the top here, you could tape on some cute little heart chocolates or your kids' favorite stickers, or I don't know, add some other trinkets to it. But anyway, this is just a super duper easy, cute Valentine's Day idea for your kids. Now, I know I kind of went through the heart folding thing a little bit fast, and if you didn't catch it all, it's okay. I'm going to show you the link where I have pictures that go step by step for each folding phase, and I will be sure to give you the link so that you can print out your version of the card. Then just head to the dollar store, get some glow sticks. Voila, you have a cute, easy gift for your kids for Valentine's Day. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's Friday. It's sunny here in upstate New York. I hope everyone has some great weekend plans, and I'll see you all again soon. Thanks.